Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving radicals and rational expressions. So we're asked if x equals 3 root 6, then what's the value of x times the square root of 2? So basically what we're saying here is let's take what x equals and let's multiply it by the square root of 2. In other words, replace x with 3 root 6 because we're told that's what it equals in the beginning. Now when you multiply radicals, they work just like regular numbers. Square root of 6 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 12. Notice you don't see that here because we're going to be simplifying the square root of 12, breaking it down using a perfect square. That's the only way you can do this. Remember the perfect squares go 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. Comes from 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. So we're going to use 4 here. 4 times 3 is 12, so we're just breaking it down that way. We know the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 3 we're going to leave alone, it can't be simplified, and then we can multiply these numbers out in front, so it becomes 6 times the square root of 3. You could also, if it was in the calculator section or something like that, you could find the square root of 12 here as a decimal, multiply it by 3, and then go up here and guess and check to see which one of these comes out to that same decimal answer.